Just got a new TracFone BLU View 5 and ready to get it up and running? Activating your new TracFone is a straightforward process to start making calls and using data. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to activate your TracFone BLU View 5. To activate your TracFone BLU View 5, you'll generally need to visit the TracFone website or call their activation hotline. Before starting, make sure your phone is charged and you have your TracFone SIM card inserted. You'll also need your phone's IMEI number, usually found on the packaging or by dialing * number 06 number. On the TracFone website, look for the Activate Phone or Activate My Device section. You'll enter your IMEI, the SIM card number, and either choose to keep your existing TracFone number or get a new one. If transferring service, have your old TracFone details ready. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen prompts or the instructions given by the customer service representative. This usually involves confirming your service plan. Your phone will then connect to the TracFone network, and you'll be able to make calls and use your service. And there you have it. Activating your TracFone BLU View 5 is simple. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.